In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a restaurant menu in Canva. To get started, open Canva and click on Create a Design. This is where you'll begin building your menu from a ready-made format, instead of starting from scratch, which saves time and makes the process much easier, especially if you want something polished and professional. Once you're in the design area, head to the search bar and type in menu. Canva will show you a variety of menu templates. So take a moment to browse and choose one that matches the style of your restaurant. For example, you might want something elegant and minimalist, colorful and casual, or modern and bold. After selecting a template, start replacing the sample content with your own information. Add your restaurant name first so the menu clearly reflects your brand. Then fill in your dishes, short descriptions, and prices. Try to keep descriptions concise but helpful so customers can quickly understand what each item is. If your menu has different sections, such as appetizers, main courses, desserts, or drinks, make sure each category is organized in a way that feels logical and easy to scan. Next, customize the overall look of the menu. You can adjust the fonts, colors, photos, and layout to better fit your restaurant's personality. If your restaurant has a cozy or rustic feel, you might choose warm tones and classic fonts. If it's more modern, cleaner lines and simpler typography may work better. When adding photos, use clear, high-quality images and avoid overcrowding the page. A good menu should look attractive, but it also needs to stay readable. Once your edits are in place, take time to review everything carefully. Check for spelling mistakes, pricing errors, uneven spacing, or anything that might make the menu confusing. This step is important because even a great design can lose its impact if the information is hard to read. Make sure the text is large enough, the contrast is strong enough, and the layout guides the eye naturally from one section to the next. When everything looks clear and complete, click Download to save your menu. From there, you can keep it as a digital file, share it online, or print it for use in your restaurant. And that's it. With just a few simple edits and design choices, you can create a menu that looks professional, matches your brand, and is easy for customers to use.